So I got this Honda in today for paint correction. Customer tried to clean it. She wasn't trying to damage the car. She was trying to remove a few scratches herself. Unfortunately, what happened next left the entire paint covered in swirl marks and heavy marring. What started as a simple scratch repair turned into damages across much of the clear coat. This happens more often than people think. Using the wrong product, too much pressure, or on the wrong polishing technique can quickly leave paint looking worse than before. Our job wasn't just to make it shiny. We had to carefully level the damaged clear coat and restore the finish without removing more material than necessary.
I fucked up and I tried to do a botched scratch removal.
Paint correction takes patience. Every section is inspected, corrected, and refined until the finish is restored. The difference speaks for itself. Let her tell the story.
Hi, I got my car done with XLNC Auto Beauty, and I got a paint correction in polish. They did an amazing job of polishing up my car and making it look like I didn't do anything. So I could go home and tell my dad I didn't do anything wrong. So I really thank you guys for all the work that you guys did.
If you tried fixing scratches yourself and the results didn't turn out the way you hoped for, don't panic. In many cases, professional paint correction can restore the finish and save the day. Follow XLNC Auto Beauty for more real customer stories and professional detailing transformations.
XLNC Auto Beauty.
XLNC Auto Beauty.